I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know.
Good day and welcome to our journey. This is Prexyll from Prexyll vidz, and we will go this day something very special ride. But before that, I tell you I am COVID positive, so I cannot go out to our area. That's why I will have to bike indoor in our villa here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So I will tell you what I feel, what another symptoms and this infection of COVID-19. So join me in my ride this morning. So I don't wear mask because no one is here, and almost in our accommodation or in our company is infected with this corona virus. So we will ride in this area for today.
Where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
So we should always be very careful in this coronavirus because it's very easily to spread. So one guy go to your company or accommodations, it will infect almost of the people in your area. So later on I will show you, or I will tell you how I feel in this corona infection. So we will continue this ride.
What I need to be free, still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me.
So one of main reasons and preventions also of the getting sick of this corona infection is to eat a lot of vegetables, especially fresh ones. So you can see in my back we have a plant here, moringa, and also green leafy vegetables. Like here we have the sweet potato, and also like aloe vera, and the moringa plant is there. I will show you also a different kind of vegetables in our rooftop later on. So we have here eggplants and also water spinach, also called kangkong. So you can stay healthy by doing or eating many vegetables, but also you take a lot of fluid so that the virus will easily flush. So we will continue in our rooftop to see also other vegetable out there. So we will go and have a look in this area. Together with my friend, we ride last week before we diagnosed that we have an infection, or one guy have infected our company. So the first day I feel like I have a flu, and I don't have a fever, and also have only running nose. And I suspected because I drink too much cold water in our trail, and still I don't know that I have already this coronavirus. But the good thing is almost in our company have a vaccine. That's why now only in this area inside our perimeter we can do biking. So later on I will give you the benefits if you are active in some kind of sports like running or biking or walking. It is very good for our health. So we will continue biking inside our area.
You found me lost in the night, looking for trouble and fights, but you found me. Now I'm a screw up, but baby I'm glad you're someone to rely on, someone to rely on. Now I'm a screw up, but baby I could be someone to rely on, 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 someone to rely on.
One also suggestions and prevention of this corona is to have an high temperature, but not because of the fever, but you can go outside the sunlight and also adjust your air conditioning not to have too much cold. So now that's why every morning I am going to the sunlight or sunbathing to have more energy we can get from vitamin D. So now I will show you in our second floor or our rooftop, we have also plants over there, and I am also have to make a loop of biking because that area is we can have direct sunlight. Now the time is about 9 o'clock in the morning, so we will continue in the rooftop.
Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control, but now I'm gone.
I need to leave my bike in the stairs because the rooftop is in the third floor.
That's all that I get from you. You're so delusional. Now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around.
So now I am here in our rooftop, and I will show you the benefits of going outside and to have a rays of the sunlight to prevent also the more infection or you get sick in this coronavirus. That's why we have more strength and energy every morning, starting from 6 o'clock up to 8 o'clock. We are always biking outside, and we take too much sunlight and have vitamin D sufficient for our daily activities. So this is our rooftop now.
You're so delusional. Now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go.
So this is the two place I am spending my time in this isolation or quarantine period, and almost or all of us here in the accommodation we have implemented a social distancing, even though almost all of us have a corona infection. The good thing is nobody get hurt or nobody have an sickness that need to admit to the hospital here in our local area. So I will show you now the another fresh vegetables we are planted in this area. So we have a bigger eggplant from here, and other one also starting to get dried. So they forget this one to put water because the temperature now is getting hot, and this is one of our garden. And we have here the oregano. This is good for some kind of cooking like pizza and pasta with tomato and cheese. And also we have lemon. We can use also the leaves for cooking for the Thailand delicacies. And we have here the lemongrass, or called tanglad, and lots of alugbati. And we have here the chilies. So it's starting to have a fruit, but we have harvested it already. Now we can found some another new flowers. So in this spot, what we do so that these plants have their nutrition is we recycled our biodegradable items. So now the weather is starting to hot, that's why also it's getting our plant yellowish, but we are continue to supply it nutrients by terms of biodegradable or natural source of plants nutrients. What we do is our branches and our food leftovers from preparation, not the oily one, but like if we peel something, vegetables and fruit, like the peeling of banana, we put in the one basin together with the egg shell, and we will put this we will have to water this one every day, and when it will compose, we will put again to the soil of this plant. So the mixtures of compost we will mix with the soil, because the soil here is like a sand, and if you don't mix with compost items, it will become very hard, and it is very difficult for the plant's root to take nutrients from it, like water and also the oxygen. So our chili now is starting to have a flower again, and later on we can harvest more of these ripe chilies from our organic farming here in our rooftop. So thank you once again for watching our videos, and hope you will still have a very careful and to prevent spreading of this coronavirus, because we thank God that not of all have a severe, and not of all have still contacted with this corona virus. So take care once again, and if you like this video, you can help to grow this channel by clicking the like button and also subscribing, so that you have notified when there is new video coming. So thank you once again. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and have a nice day and prevent your corona infection.